couldn't have you for a long time. Those dreams of yours are shining on distant shores, and if they're calling you away, I have no right to make you stay. But somewhere down the road, our roads are gonna cross again. It doesn't really matter when. Somewhere down the road, I know that heart of yours will come to see that you belong with me.
That was so beautiful. Mga kapatid, please welcome Sabrina. It's
Good
okay.
afternoon.
Good afternoon. Okay.
I'm so starstruck kasi.
Ano ka ba naman? You
Yeah.
know what's so funny kasi, meron po siyang unang album na lumabas. Binili ko po, ako'y nasa Bangkok sa Thailand. I was shopping, I was buying some CDs, ganyan, and DVDs. Tapos, pinapakinggan ko, tuwan-tuwa ako sa boses niya, ang gaganda ng mga kanta. Nung binasa ko yung likod, nakita ko Filipino pala.
Yes. Yeah.
So, that was such a pleasant surprise. And I love your voice. It's so refreshing.
It's really an honor. Ngayon ko lang nalaman that you have a copy of my album.
Kanino mo dinedicate yung kantang yan? Or dinededicate yung Somewhere,
Somewhere Down the Road. Somewhere Down the Road used to be my theme song when I was so depressed. Diba?
Not such a long time ago.
Yeah, not such a long time ago. And that was my first love. So, they say, diba, that first love never dies or something like that.
Well, sometimes, yeah.
Yes.
Goes to sleep, yeah.
Yeah, it should.
It goes to sleep.
So that was my theme song when I was really in my darkest place. So every time I hear that, talagang I cry and I just let everything out.
That song has been also in my consciousness since it got uso. And then when I started, to fall in love, pag merong broken heart moment ako, broken-hearted na period ako, laging yung kantang yan yung dumadating.
Diba?
Pero na-associate din yan kasi sa isang movie ko na became the other theme, the love theme of Minsan Minahal Kita. So, I guess my fans associated with that. But yeah, it's a beautiful song. Yeah.
It is. And the message is so nice, inspiring.
Beautiful, yeah. Ano mga bagay ang ginagawa mo pag heartbroken ka, Sabrina?
Nahirapan ako I cry I really cry.
You have to let it out Ito, paano mo nagawa yung kantang One True Love?
Yan, yan yung, alam niyo po, ginawa ko yan sa isang fast food restaurant.
Na-depressed ka?
Na-depressed ako. I was in the mall, tapos tinatawagan ko yung ka-relationship ko noon. Tinatawagan ko siya. Nag-start po yan dun sa isang linya lang sa kanta. Tinatawagan ko po siya. Tapos ilang ring na-drop na yung call. Miss call na siya. Mga 20 calls na po, pero hindi niya sinasagot. And dati kasi...
Kayo pa rin? Hindi na?
Hindi na po.
Minsan kasi may nag-aaway sa texting o sa tawagan. Yung pala hindi pa nakakarating yung message.
Sa signal lang po.
Oo, sinigawan mo na. Ayun.
Namura mo na.
Can you sing a few lines from One True Love, please?
Yes. And I'd see forever by your eyes. You tell me you love me your whole life, and I had no doubt in mind. You have told me so many lies, but I never thought that this was one. I always believed you loved me, no matter what I've said and done, 'cause you are mine. One true love. I have always told you that, baby, you're the one. And no matter how they try to break the two of us, I know inside my heart. You and I will last forever. Whoa, whoa. I know inside my heart, you and I will last forever.
Nakaka-affect naman yung kantang yan. Ang ganda nung kanta.
Salamat po.
Beautiful song, One True Love. Siya ba yung One True Love mo talaga? You think, up to now?
Hindi na po yata. Kasi nawala eh. Sabi po kasi sa akin ng isang kaibigan ko, pag siya talaga yung para sa'yo, hindi siya bibitaw. Kahit gaano kahirap na yung sitwasyon
No, but
namin.
to you, in your heart,
Hindi po.
ay hindi.
Hindi po.
Okay.
Siguro
Good naman.
first lang. First.
First, oh. You're so young pa.
Yeah, late nga ako.
Marami pa yan. Okay. May letter kang ginawa
Opo.
for your ex-boyfriend.
Sabi nila, dalhin ko daw. Nahiya naman ako. Kasi
okay.
sobrang personal. Talaga, yun po yung letter na sinulat ko talaga lahat-lahat ng mga gusto kong sabihin sa kanya in case na magkita kami ulit.
Ay, do you believe in that? Yung pong isa pang thing na ginagawa ko. Meron ako notebook, pero nasa safe ko yun. O kaya sinusunog ko pagtapos na. Yung hindi mo masabi, isulat mo daw.
Exactly. Opo.
Write it down. Kunyari siya kausap mo. You have to release it. Isulat mo lang na parang siya kausap mo. Kung gusto mo siya awayin o lahat ng nararamdaman mo, napakarami kong sulat na ganyan.
Ganyan po ginawa ko. Ang maganda po dito, hindi ako nakatiis eh, na yung notebook lang yung nakabasa nung nararamdaman ko. So, tinext ko siya. Kasi po, memorize ko pa yung number niya. After like 2 years, tinext ko siya kung yun pa rin yung number niya.
Number, memorize ko pa.
Hindi ko na alam yung plate number. Hindi naman. Cellphone lang. Tinext ko po, hindi ako umasa na magre-reply siya. Kasi ang usapan namin, magpapalit na siya ng number. Siyempre kasi, siya po yung bumitaw eh. So, sabi ko, nagpalit ka ng number kasi kukulitin kita. Talagang hindi kita titigilan
But
hanggat
how
hindi ka
long were
bumalik
you
sa akin.
together ba?
Like 3 years? 3
Wow.
years. Ganun.
May kakaibang kapangyarihan talaga sa Brina ang musika, no? Lalo na sa pagdating sa paggamot ba o pagtulong sa pag-heal ng isang sugatang puso. Maraming salamat, Sabrina, for
Thank
sharing
you.
your songs
Opo.
with us.
Thank you so much.
At sa ating pong pagbabalik, makakasama na natin ang DJ na nagpauso naman ng mga love advice sa radyo at ang kanyang sariling broken-hearted na story. So po kayong aalis. Totoo
Even
yan.
if you know what is right, sinusunod pa rin natin yung sigaw ng puso natin over yung gusto ng isipan natin.
Tayo ay matanda na.